Fully automatic mattress cotton layer integrated machine for cube glue rolling and spraying meets all needs of gluing layers. It is an integrated machine for glue rolling and spraying, which can control the amount of glue used with high precision. And both modes can save more than 30–40% of glue consumption. AI system accurately identifies all the materials and their colors on the insomnia, intelligently grabs the materials, gently holds and puts them down without hurting them. Dual lens real-time monitoring of the material offset position and deformation angle, real-time return data to AI for analysis. AI obtains deviation data, guides the robotic arm to automatically correct the position of the material so that the laminating accuracy of plus or minus 4 millimeters. This machine supports positive and negative pasting, unlimited material types, unlimited number of layers to be pasted. Daily average of 600 sheets, fully automatic operation, reduce the error rate, improve production efficiency.